Sige, biglang sales. Ganyan.
Welcome our dear students to this special farewell gathering, Disperida 2025. So welcome you all. To commence this program, it is my esteemed honor to invite our respected principal, Reverend Father Joby Joseph, who has been a guiding light and source of inspiration for all of us. Father, we extend a heartfelt welcome to you as you grace this occasion with your presence. Hearty welcome, Father.
विद्यालय के प्रेक्षागृह में उपस्थित हम अपने परम आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य का स्वागत करते हैं। नजरों को बदला तो नजारे बदल गए, नजरों को बदला तो नजारे बदल गए, बदला अपना सोच तो सितारे बदल गए, और नौका ने बदली जो अपने रुख तो बहुत करीब कमबख्त किनारे बदल गए। परिवर्तन और मिठाई के इस परंपरा पर यदि हम दृष्टि डालें तो यही पाएंगे कि सिर्फ किनारा ही तो बदला है। समय रूपी नदी की इस धारा को कौन रोक पाया है, कौन विराम लगा पाया है। समय की इस गतिमान धारा को कोई भी रोकने में सफल नहीं हो पाया। एक नन्हे पौधे की तरह इस विद्यालय में तुम्हारा प्रादुर्भाव हुआ। याद करो जब तुम आए कितना रोए, तुम्हें लगा कि हम कहाँ आ गए, लेकिन इस बगिया के माली ने तुम्हें इस प्रकार से सींचा है कि आज जब परिवर्तन का समय आया है तो तुम्हारी आंखें नम हो गई। विद्यालय का भवन, परिवेश, खेलना, उछलना, शरारत करना और खुश हो जाना और कभी डर जाना, यह सब हृदय को उद्विग्न कर रहा होगा। इतना तीव्र गति से यह समय बीत गया, समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा। कब आए और कब चल दिए, कब शुरुआत हुई और कब अंत होने जा रहा है। विद्यालय और बालपन, इन दोनों का बड़ा गहरा रिश्ता है। बालपन का यह आनंद हमको विवश करता है कि एक बार हम अपने बचपन से लेकर अब तक की स्मृतियों को याद करने का प्रयास करें, क्योंकि यह हमें अतुलित आनंद देता है। कहाँ से आता है यह आनंद, कि आता ही नहीं है यह आनंद, कि आता नहीं यह किसी ओर से, यह आता है यह सब ओर से। आशा और निराशा यही जीवन की सच्चाई है। कदम कदम पर दिखती हमको यही एक परछाई है। देख तेरी मंजिल है आतुर, तू कैसे थक सकता है। हर घड़ी हर पल हर क्षण निश्चल प्रभु साथ तुम्हारे चलता है, प्रभु साथ तुम्हारे चलता है। कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम निवेदन करेंगे जीवनलता मैम और अन्य सभी सहयोगी छात्रों से कि आप अपनी मंगलवाणी से प्रभु की स्तुति का गान करें, प्रार्थना करें कि जिससे हमारे ये बच्चे जहाँ भी रहें, स्वस्थ रहें और प्रसन्नचित्त रहें। जीवन
symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and the ushering in of knowledge and wisdom. I now have the honor of inviting our esteemed principal, Reverend Father Joby Joseph, to come forward and initiate his auspicious ceremony by lighting the lamp. Please, Father. Additionally, we cordially invite Principal Asha Ma'am and Laura Ma'am to lead our students in kindling their journey towards enlightenment. May they shine as beacons of light, dispelling darkness wherever they go. I also like to call Sister Sanchita, Jansi Ma'am, Jeevalata Ma'am, and Vrinda Ma'am for the lighting of the lamp. Please, teachers. You will be given candles. You can take the candles, make one line. This shows that we are the light. Yes? Yes, with a good heart. So let's kindle the candle and take this light with us.
दीप प्रज्वलन इस प्रक्रिया को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं, जो इस बात का प्रमाण है कि आगे आने वाले भविष्य में भी ये अपने ज्ञान से हमारे समाज के उत्तम को और धरा पर इस धरती पर कहीं पर भी अंधेरे को नहीं रहने देंगे, अज्ञानता को नहीं रहने देंगे, ऐसा हमारा पूरा विश्वास है।
You are representing Deepon now. So take this light and shine the world. Are you ready? That's great. So now, let us move to the next program. Reading farewell is never easy, as it is filled with emotions and cherished memories. However, it becomes truly special when expressed with heartfelt words. With great respect and warmth, I now invite our dear Asha Ma'am to share her farewell message for the beloved students of class 12. Ma'am, we eagerly await your words of wisdom and encouragement. So let us welcome Asha Ma'am with joining your hands together.
My dears, please calm down. Reverend Father Joby Joseph, Reverend Sisters, colleagues, handsome, smart boys, and pretty, cheerful girls of class 12. A very warm good afternoon to one and all. So finally, the most awaited day of the year for class 12 students is here. The day you anticipated from the very first day of class 12. But one thing is sure, the feelings that you had till yesterday, the excitement that you had till yesterday, a feel of past memories, a sort of nostalgia, a bit of tension for the boards, at the same time, excitement to start a new chapter of life. All these feelings are quite natural. My dear students, I am not here with any advice for you that you have got enough in the past years. I am just sharing a few words that you need to think and reflect upon. Let me begin with the most important date that is fast approaching, your board exams. 2 exams, pre-board and model exams, would have surely made you realize your present stand. Some of you are doing quite well. You are working hard, and that is the need of the hour. We are sure you will do well. Then we have the next group, that is some students who are at an average stage. You too are in the right way. Be focused, keep working hard. The sincere hard work of the last few days can do wonders. Now, about the rest who are still struggling to pass, my dear students, it's not the time to worry. Every year, at this stage, we have some students at this level, but they all manage to pass in board exams. Please listen. It's not because board gives pass marks to all. If you feel so, it's absolutely wrong notion. They passed only because they worked hard day and night like never before, and so they could come out with good results. So there is a ray of hope for everyone. Just work hard, have faith in God, and you can achieve what you wish. My dear students, remember, your success is not just personal achievement, but it brings immense joy to your parents, to your teachers, to your school, and all your loved ones. Most of you have spent about 12 to 15 years, incredible years, within the school walls. You learned and evolved into the compassionate, curious, and confident individuals that you are now. Now, as you step out of the caring world of parents at home and teachers at school, you will find the world outside to be both exhilarating and overwhelming. The freedom that you have been waiting for will be finally yours. But don't let it become a double-edged sword. Do not misuse your freedom. Remember, freedom comes with responsibilities. The world outside is challenging, but full of opportunities. So stay open-minded, stay focused, and stay true to yourself. Your hard work, perseverance, and kindness will be the tools that will be your guiding light that illuminate your path. But remember to stay grounded and humble as you spread your wings and soar high. My dear students, there were times when we teachers scolded or corrected you. Know that it was never out of malice or frustration. It was only because we saw the potential in you and wanted to push you to achieve greater heights. We believed in you even when you didn't believe in yourself. Our correction, guidance, and encouragement all were designed to help you grow, learn, and succeed. As you step out of the portals of DePaul, hold on to all the wonderful memories you have created here. As you navigate through the journey of life, may the values, lessons, and memories you have created here become the guiding lights in the darkest of times and the biggest cheerleaders in the brightest moments. May all of future be bright, beautiful, and fulfilling. With lots of love, appreciation, आपकी यात्रा की शुरुआत हो रही है। नए रास्तों पर चलने का समय आ गया है। शुभकामनाएं आपके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए, शुभकामनाएं आपके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए। जैसे पक्षी अपने घोंसले से उड़ जाता है, वैसे ही आप भी अपने सपनों का उड़ान भरें। याद रखें, जीवन में कभी हार न माने, सफलता की राह पर चलते रहे। आपका उज्जवल भविष्य की शुभकामनाएं, आपके उज्जवल भविष्य की शुभकामनाएं। May God bless you all.
That was really amazing, marvelous. Did you like it? Okay, one more. Are you ready? Yes, we're on the board. Let's have fun and listen to the music. now I can come and I can ask. Do you want more? Martha. Okay. Now it's time for game. So what is a favorite without a little fun and laughter? To make this day even more exciting, we now turn it over to our energetic and ever enthusiastic Abraham, who has some thrilling games lined up just for you. So get ready to participate, enjoy, and make unforgettable memories. So are you ready? Good.
Friends, are you ready for the game? Yes, I know. From the nursery to class 12, game spirit is the favorite period of all. Am I right? And today, how can we conduct a farewell program without a game? Because this is the last game period for you in the school as a student. Today, we plan to conduct game for all the 99 students. And I assure you that all the games will be an easy one to do. So let me start. First of all, the game for 30 boys. 30 boys. And I will call out the names. First 10, that will be the competition. And then we will select the first and second. And then next 10 students and next 10 students, like that. And all will be staying back till the end of the game here. Okay, let me call out first 10 students, the lucky ones. Aditya Kumar Shah, 12th A. Ajay Jaiswal, 12th A. And this is the task one TT ball is there. So what you have to do is, listen, okay? One person I will give you this one, okay? Listen to me. I will give you, okay? So what you have to do is, you have to keep your TT ball in between the knee. Okay? Just you have to keep it there. And then you will be walking like this. You will come in front of this one. Cup is there, okay? In that you have to drop it, that's all.
So let us appreciate them. You're putting your hands together. Come on. He is self-employed and good at keeping people in frames. His hairstyle is his specialty. Do not mistake his WhatsApp status for fight scenes. It is a different mood, bro. His name means sun. Yes, you are absolutely right. Aditya Kumar Shah. So next, now let us guess our next friend. Okay, so ready? He is a man of few words in front of teachers, but a rock star before friends. He even plays a guitar. His name means invisible. Who? Yes, you are right. Ajay Jaiswal. So next, he calls himself the brother of all sisters. His specs are his style, if not the hair. He is a man, yeah. Don't destroy his peace, as his name means peace. Yes, Aman Kumar Yadav. He is a friend of every friend. But remember, dare him not while playing football. For even his teammates get scolding. He dreams of NDA and takes leave if his friend is on leave. His name is Joyful. Yes, Harshad Kumar Singh. So next guess. He can hit a body to and fro in a badminton court. You may remember his good day wishes. He is pleasant and volunteers himself for anyone. If you still do not get his name, know that his name means lotus. Pankaj Dwivedi. If I remain absent, my friend will also remain absent. I am not a master blaster. My name means auspicious. He is clever, good, and with much understanding. Who is this? Shubham Shah, right?
ये स्कूल की पढ़ाई इसने है बनाई, इससे रोज होती है मेरी लड़ाई। आदर्श।
होशियार हूँ, सक्रिय हूँ, पर अनावश्यक मामलों में पड़ जाता हूँ मैं। तो बताइए इसकी तारीफ है ये? होशियार हूँ, सक्रिय हूँ, पर अनावश्यक मामलों में पड़ जाता हूँ मैं। नो, आदित्य विक्रम सिंह। स्कूल आना मुझे भाता नहीं, परीक्षा की डेट मुझे कोई बताता नहीं। किसकी तारीफ है ये? अंशु। कौन है यारों का यार? ऋषभ रघुवंशी। चुप चुप रहते हो, जरूर कोई बात है। सारे बच्चों में आप ही तो खास हैं। आसिफ रजा। कॉपी किताब और पढ़ाई और मेहनत सबसे है नाता। बस बात किए बिना इनसे नहीं रहा जाता। यस, रोहित कुमार साहब। लंबे कद का हूँ पर विवादों में पड़ जाता हूँ। अनावश्यक पैसों में फंसकर बदनामी से नहीं बच पाता हूँ। सुभ्रांत सिंह पटेल। नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, माँ का दुलारा हूँ। नखरों का मैं राजा हूँ, मुझे मनाओ यही मांगता हूँ मैं सौगात। कौन है? अनाब कर। नाम है अजित तिवारी, लगती है मुझको दुनिया प्यारी। क्लास है मेरी सबसे न्यारी। मेरा स्कूल से अलग ही है नाता, तभी तो स्कूल मुझे है भाता। आशुतोष पांडे। मुझे समझना आसान नहीं, हम वो हैं जिसके जैसा दूजा कोई नहीं। गौरव कुमार शर्मा। पापा का लाडला बेटा हूँ, फोन और कार लेकर घूमता हूँ। दोस्तों पर रौब जमाता हूँ, अपने आप को भगवान समझता हूँ। क्षितिज। अपना जन्मदिन अजमेर में मनाता हूँ, मम्मी पापा के आशीर्वादों के छाया में जीता हूँ। ये आमदी आयान से। मेरा नहीं है कोई मोल, क्योंकि मैं बजाता हूँ ढोल और खोलता हूँ सबकी पोल। नितेश कुमार दुबे। वो लड़का है मासूम पर है शरारती।
Okay, so now the another one. He is a man of house and a jolly friend of all. His beard is his style. His name means the moon. Who is he? Who is he? You are right, Rajneesh Kumar Shah. So thank you, dear father, for distributing.
Oh,
Yes, so this is a magic match race. The magic match race, and the winners, as the previous games, how you have seen, you will be standing there back afterwards, so you will go up to receiving your prizes alone. Okay, first, Kaushiki Kumari, 12th A. Kaushiki, please come. Come on. Okay, Kaushiki is there, okay. Kumari Vainavi, 12th A. Priyanka Dubey, 12th A. Studija, 12th A. Sudiksha Agrihari, 12th A. Adrani Nair, 12th B. Devika Mohapatra, 12th B. Kanishka Shukla, 12th B. Khushi Singh, 12th B. And Sanskruti Singh, 12th B. And it is your wish, you can wear your sandals or anything, otherwise as it is you can. Okay, what you have to do is, this is magic race. Starting line is there and ending line is there. Okay, what you have to do is, you have to step on this and then the race starts. How you have to move? Okay, with this, you have to take the carpet also. Okay? Okay, your choice. If you want to remove your slippers or anything, you can remove it afterwards. Ready? So here first round, first, second, third students will be taken, and then again final round will be there. Okay? Don't fall down. Go. So ready? Okay. Okay. Wait. No. It is your wish. Both legs you can do like. All are ready now? Yes. Your time starts now. First, second, third. Okay, good. Okay. 3 numbers. Okay. Winners, please stand this side and others on the other side. Okay. Winners, please stand this side. Okay. Ready? Your time starts now. First, second, third. Okay. Yes, your time starts now. First one, what's your name, beta? Okay, finally first, second, third.
So now once again we will start the guess game. So are you ready to guess your friends? Let's see how much you know about your friends. So she talks so politely and is unhailed singer too. Her name is derived from goddess Durga and means skilled. Yes, you are right, Kaushiki. Next, I may be late to reach, but I will come. I am very helpful, but I don't challenge me. Okay, bro? My name is derived from goddess Saraswati, meaning Veena. Very right. She is loving and kind like her name. Her name means beloved. Beloved. She is loving and kind like her name. Her name means beloved. Okay, so here Priyanka Dubey. She does not speak much but has a praiseworthy character. Her name means him. Yes, right, Stuti. Next, she is a good friend and a good cook too. She is not a giant but comes from giant. Her name means one who is blessed with good fortune. Right, Sureksha.
सरल मन और सरल व्यवहार, लंबे लंबे बात है इनकी पहचान। कौन? आर्द्रा ए नायर। जिम्मेदारी निभाना है इनकी निशानी, तभी तो ये है शिक्षकों की प्यारी। कौन है शिक्षकों की प्यारी? एनी गेस? देविका, राइट, देविका भागवत। मेरी आवाज पर हजारों है फिदा, आज मैं कहने आई हूँ अलविदा। कनिष्का शुक्ला। अति संवेदनशील हूँ, बहुत कुछ करना चाहती हैं लेकिन किसी न किसी तरह चूक जाती हैं। खुशी सिंह। कीम कैसे? विद्यालय आने में इनको होती थी परेशानी, देखो तो क्या फेयरवेल में आई है महारानी। संस्कृति। इनके पास है अद्भुत ज्ञान, इनकी अलग ही है शान। इनके पास है अद्भुत ज्ञान, इनकी अलग ही है शान। शिवानी द्विवेदी। मैं हूँ अलबेली, हजारों में अकेली, खुद ही हूँ अपनी सहेली। शिवानी सिंह पटेल। ओ बहारों की मलिका, तेरा मुस्कुराना गजब ढा गया। आन्या अग्रवाल। दीपों की रोशनी की माला बनती हूँ, तभी तो दीपिका कहलाती हूँ। दीपिका गोयल। तेरी बड़ी बड़ी बातों में है कितना दम, तेरी सफलता का राज जानेंगे हम। ज्योत्सना सोनी। अपने ही धुन में मगन हूँ, मर्जी से जीती हूँ, मर्जी से घूमती हूँ। ये मन मर्जी चलाने वाले हैं कंचा रानी सुंदर। अकाउंटेंसी की भूल भुलैया में खोने लगती हूँ, समझते समझते चक्कर खाकर गिर जाती हूँ। सड़कों पर स्कूटी से उड़ना मेरी शान है, क्लास में दौड़ते घुसना मेरा काम है। करेक्ट, शेखर पांडे। दीपावली के बच्चों से हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी शिवांगी पांडे। लक्ष्य है आसमान से बड़े, मेहनत के दम पर हर ख्वाब गढ़े। शक्ति और ममता का संगम है वो, स्कूल की शान और गर्व है वो। हमारी हेडगर्ल राहुल द्विवेदी।
छोटा सा निवेदन रहेगा कि हम अपने शिक्षकों के साथ बैठें, तो थोड़ा सा अनुशासन का भी ख्याल रखना है। हमने शुरू में ही बताया था कि हमारे पास आपके मनोरंजन के लिए ढेर सारे कार्यक्रम हैं। तो हम सभी ये जानते हैं कि प्रथमम सुख निरोगी काया, अगर शरीर स्वस्थ है तो उसमें स्वस्थ मन का वास रहता है। हम रेबल मैम को आमंत्रित करेंगे कि वो अगले खेल के माध्यम से हमारे विद्यार्थियों का मनोरंजन करें। रेबल मैम।
Next game for the boys. Okay. So I think only 25 boys are left out. So they will be playing together the next game. So let me call out the name: Abad Khan, Abhijit, Abhishek Kumar Pandey, Alan Rijo. Those who want to come, please come there. Others, please stand in the line. Okay. Again, final. Okay, who will be the winner next? It's 2 members. No, 4 members are there. One will be the winner. There is a one round. Stand in the round. Okay. Stand in the round. It will be the center. Okay. Ready? Ready now? Yes. Shoulder, leg, hands, head, shoulder, back. Pick up the cup. Okay. Again, I request you, Father, please come on the stage to give the prize.
So attention please. Next, guess game. So are you all ready? Nay, when I see you, you all are just less energetic, yes? That's right. His name means prosperous. He is very polite and everyone's favorite. He speaks like an Oxfordian. He is the best Peapolian. Yes, Next, yes. He is a captain and a Messi fan. His name means victorious. He is 100% present in this session. Who is he? Abhijit. You are right, Abhijit Raj. Next, he is silent in class but will speak more, even to the most talkative students. His handwriting is very unique. His name is Anointing. Now, Abhishek Kumar Pandey. Okay. Next, music is his passion. Neat writing is his passion. He walks like a hero, spreading fragrance everywhere. His name means noble. Right, Alan Rijo. Next, his smile is his signature. He's a good friend and bold like a Raja. His name means courage. Raja, courage. Yes? Dheeraj. Next, he is calm and gentle, but when he speaks like a pro and even plays a dholak. His name means the divine element. Yes, Divyansh Tiwari, you are right. Next, his name means fascinating. He looks super cool, even if he loses his temperament. Still, if it did not hit your mind, never mind, he is Mohit. Who is he? Mohit, yes. Taller than the tallest, simpler than the simplest, and his name is one who possesses prosperity. Yes, next, there is an Ish in his name as an Ish. His name means Lord of Prosperity, and he is very gentle. Shrish Kumar Pandey. So next is he is an all-rounder. His smashes will break his opponent's heart, if not the net. We heard that he had arranged a special truck to take away all trophies and medals. His name means intelligent. He is gentle and soft-spoken, and at the same time does a lot of masti. Yes, you are right, Subodh Nagpuri.
छुट्टी लेने के ढूंढते हैं ये नए नए बहाने, अब कॉलेज में नहीं गाने पड़ेंगे इन्हें ये तराने। समर्थ पांडे। आज भी आप सुनते हैं छुट्टी के तराने अभी भी ढूंढ रहे हैं। जागते रहो, परीक्षा आने वाली है, हमारी नींद चुराने वाली है। ये आयुष सिंह का निवेदन है आप सबसे, जागते रहे। सबका हूँ यार मेरे दिलदार, मेरे बिना कैसे जियोगे, साथ छोड़ोगे तो पछताओगे। सबके यार हैं आयुष कुमार द्विवेदी। चाहते हैं दुनिया की वाह क्या सुनना, पर मेहनत से जी चुराना, सिर्फ सपनों में रह जाते कोई, बिना कुछ किए कैसे सितारे हैं वे सोए। अंकुश कुमार कुशवाहा। बिना सोए ही सो करके सितारे देखना चाहते हैं। चुप रहते हो, जरूर कोई बात है, इस स्कूल का आखिरी साल है। अब तो बोलो चंद्रदीप सिंह। हम तो अपनी मस्ती में आग लगे बस्ती में। मोनू राइट, मोनू। हम तो बड़े सीधे साधे हैं भैया, पार लगा दो 12वीं की नैया। ऋषभ कुमार साहब। Hope a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, study a lot. Still, if you do not recognize him, please know that his name means soft spoken. Pranjal Pandey. नाट्य करता हूँ पर दिल बड़ा है, मुस्कान मेरी पहचान, दोस्ती मेरी जान है। अभय राज। अरे जनाब, हमारी तो बात ही कुछ और है, एक बार देख तो लीजिए, ऐसा कोई और नहीं है। अभय राज प्रजापति। माँ का हूँ मैं प्यारा और न्यारा, शांतिपूर्वक मेहनत करना है काम हमारा। देव्यांश वर्मा। मैं हूँ अलबेला, हजारों में अकेला, कहते हैं मुझको बाजीगर, हर बाजी में जीत लेता हूँ, मैं हूँ पक्का सौदागर। अमन सिद्दीकी। सपनों की दुनिया में उड़ान भरते, बंद आंखों में अपनी ख्वाब सजाते, जो जान लेते उसे पूरा करते, हर मुश्किल को हंसकर गले लगाते। अमनदीप सिंह। थैंक यू सो मच फादर। एक बार जोरदार तालियों से। Girls are there, so I call
their name. First one, Amandeep Kaur. Absent. Okay. Auntie was. That means अपने आप को संभाल के दूसरों को बोलना है. Okay. So and there is a circle also. Be in the circle, outer circle. Okay. Here now, this circle. Within the circle you should be. You should not go out. Okay. So come inside, everyone. Come on. Come on, everyone. Come. Please come, everyone together. Nothing to do. See, here one green line is there. That is the outer circle. So first round it will be like this, where the number reduces. Okay, ready? Not with the hands. Not with the hands. Not with the hands. Okay. Now.
अमनदीप कौर, मेहनती हूँ, पढ़कर कुछ बनना चाहती हूँ, अपने सपनों के संग उड़ना चाहती हूँ। आंचल तिवारी, इरादा में है दम, कभी न रुके तुम्हारे कदम। इरादों में दम रखने वाली है अस्का खान।
Excellence. Charismatic excellence, the one who lights up every room with his presence.
Brothers and sisters, respected teachers, and dear class 12 students, good afternoon to all of you. Long back in 1984, a tiny sapling was planted in the soil of Vindhyanagara. As the time passed, it grew up. It had branches, and today it has grown as a big tree, and you have that tree here. And over the years, it has given shelter to many students, teachers as well. And under this beautiful tree, the students have grown, learned. They are standing on their feet today. And the last testimony for that is 2024-25 class 12 students, you sitting down here. Few days back, I had quite many number of thoughts going through my mind. I was here, I have been here for the past 2 years, and I have been seeing you going around, coming to the school, coming to my office, and moving around in your classrooms. And very seldom I had any occasions to scold you, get angry with you. Maybe
और मेरे प्रिय साथियों को सुप्रभात और विदाई समारोह की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज स्कूल का अंतिम दिवस थोड़ा भावुक, थोड़ा प्रसन्नता के साथ हम सब मना रहे हैं। तो हर बार की तरह मैं आज आपके समक्ष फिर से एक हिंदी कविता लाया हूँ। शब्दों पे गौर फरमाइएगा और ये स्कूल, ये टीचर, ये यादें अपने मन में बसाइएगा। कभी सोचा नहीं था, कभी सोचा नहीं था ये दिन भी आएगा, हंसते खेलते सफर यूं ही थम जाएगा। 12 साल पहले जो कदम रखा था, कुछ ने 1 साल, कुछ ने 2 साल, पर मैं तो 15 साल कि 15 साल पहले जो कदम रखा था, आज वही दरवाजा हमें विदा करेगा। पहली बार बैग टांगकर जो स्कूल आए थे, नन्हे नन्हे हाथों में किताबें उठाए थे, रोते रोते माँ का हाथ छोड़ना पड़ा, फिर धीरे धीरे दोस्तों का साथ बढ़ा। लंच में टिफिन शेयर करना आदत बन गई, लंच में टिफिन शेयर करना आदत बन गई, क्लास में हंसना हसरत बन गई। टीचर के आते ही चुप हो जाना, पीछे बैठकर सपनों में खो जाना। मेरा पेन कहाँ है, हर रोज की कहानी। होमवर्क पूरा है सबसे बड़ी परेशानी।